Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I am starting this video with a collaboration with another YouTuber. Laura Joanna Jarvis on YouTube is somebody who I've been watching probably now for around 4 or 5 months. I first discovered her channel when she uploaded an IKEA hacks video, of which at the time I was obsessed with IKEA hack videos, DIY videos, that kind of thing. But she is here on YouTube. She's a beautiful mum of 2 gorgeous boys and she does lots of different videos kind of similar to mine. So if you like my channel, then do head over to hers, and she's doing a video today as well to give you more ideas in addition to the ones that I've got to essentially create some kind of like a DIY hamper. So she does lots of DIY hacks and everything like that, so she's going to be very creative, I'm sure. But for me personally, I have one big hamper full of goodies, which I think would be a great idea for maybe as like a Christmas Eve hamper or Christmas Eve box. If you haven't already, please stick around and subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload throughout December, as I am doing Vlogmas this year. I also didn't get a chance yesterday in Primark's video to show you Advent calendars day 2 and 3, so I will do that at the end of this video. But first of all, let's jump into the hamper ideas. I have a variety of different things. The majority of the things I bought I did get from like B&M, so they're very affordable. First of all, I'm going to start with the hamper itself. Well, this is what it looks like. There's a couple of other bits as well to go in. Now, the hamper that I bought, I got from the original factory shop. This was £6. They had a black wicker version with like brown kind of paper shredding, but I went for the wicker with red, and yeah, £6. They also had smaller ones at £3, but I wanted to make sure it was nice and big. And there is also cellophane and everything that comes in it, so you don't need to buy anything in addition to this. It has it all in there for you. So the first couple of things to like bulk it out firstly would be this, which I mean I saw and I knew I wanted to include some kind of popcorn and treats. So this one is perfect for movie night. This was from B&M. It's movie night popcorn sharing bowl. You get the actual bowl itself, which I think is a good idea because we tend to have popcorn on a regular basis, I'm not going to lie, but we don't really have a nice bowl for it. So now we do. And this has my favourite, which is the Cinema Sweet, and it also has the toffee one, and this was £3.99. And the other idea to bulk it out, which actually the hamper's not big enough, so maybe like if it was more of a Christmas Eve box, is PJs, slippers, that kind of thing. We've kind of not got a tradition of pajamas per se, but we have like a tradition of opening something Christmas Eve, and if I had a family, like I had kids and everything, I think I would love to have the tradition of giving new pajamas every Christmas Eve, so that you can all kind of like wear your new pajamas, go to sleep, and then wake up in the morning in your new PJs. Now these ones are from B&M. These I got last year. They're £6.99 for the set, and they do have this style in again this year. I have seen them, and the bottoms are white with grey little paw prints, and then the top is white and fluffy with a polar bear that says barely slept, which I thought was so cute, so cozy. They have all different sizes as well, so you could get like family matching PJs, and these are just the softest things I own, so love these. In addition to the movie night popcorn, I also wanted to include some kind of a DVD, family friendly DVD. Even though we don't have kids ourselves, I just like family friendly DVDs for Christmas, but also like Christmas movies. Obviously the majority of the Christmas movies we own on like Amazon, that we've bought through Amazon Prime as well. So even if you just have Netflix and stuff, to put on a nice festive movie on Christmas Eve is just the dream. And this is a little bit of luxury, so especially if you maybe don't have like just a young baby and it's more for the adults, then this is just a little luxury in terms of chocolate, and it's from Hotel Chocolat, and it is gingerbread hot chocolate. This is going to go down a treat. This covered with squirty cream and marshmallows is going to be consumed throughout the whole of December. So yeah, this is just a fab idea for like some kind of festive-y drink, but failing that, you could obviously just go for the traditional Cadbury's hot chocolate. Or I have spotted these before as well, which are the Nescafe Gold in gingerbread latte, and I also picked up this one in salted caramel. So we now have a whole host of different festive-y, wholesome, yummy, warm, festive drinks in our house. It's just nice to have like some festive drink options and just hot chocolates and all the yumminess, because December's guilt-free, right? Moving on to a couple of other snacks and treats that I've got. These, which I've never tried before, so I'm going to try one now actually, because I've seen a lot of people talk about these. They are the Jacob's Treeslets. They're basically cheeselets, which I've never had, in the shape of trees. If I can open them. Oh. Yum. Oh my god, that's what they look like. Yeah, they're like, they are cheesy. Treesy. Delish. Another thing that I got was these hot chocolate flavoured stirrers at $2.99. These look so yummy, and this one with the little gingerbread man, oh my god, amazing. So again, just another festive-y hot drink idea, but this equally would be, I think, quite a good little gift for like a stocking filler type gift at only $2.99. That's so affordable, and they look so nice and like premium. And then if you wanted to get more hands-on, like I said, if you've got kids maybe, or you're going somewhere for Christmas for dinner this year, then maybe you could bake. And I picked up this. It's Betty Winter's Home Baking Yule Log Cupcake Kit. Now, I'm not a big fan of festive desserts like Christmas pudding, Christmas cake, but the one thing I do love is Yule log. Just thought that was so cute, so festive, and like I said as well, if you've got kids, fun to get them interactive and like baking with you on Christmas Eve, fun little activity. Equally, you can maybe do a make your own gingerbread house. This again was only $1.99, so it's going to be probably a little mini one that you can just decorate yourself, and just, I think I might decorate this and actually have it out as like kind of decoration. But they also have massive ones, so depending on how involved you want to get into the gingerbread making, B&M have loads of different ones to choose from. Again, at $1.99, I thought this one was cute. I might have to do it in one of my vlogs coming up very soon, so stay tuned for that. Another thing that I love, especially around Christmas time, is home fragrances, and in particular candles. I burn candles throughout the whole year really, but December and even like autumn moving into winter in particular, I literally just have so many candles burning around the house. I absolutely love it. But also I like reed diffusers and these fragrance oils that you can get from B&M at £2.49. It's a set of 4 in spiced berries. So I thought this was super festive, perfect for this time of the year. And what I'm going to do with these is, they're oils, so essentially you could put them in like an aromatic diffuser if you have one of those, or I'm going to put this in an empty reed diffuser. That's just a nice little festive idea to make your house smell amazing for Christmas. And then last but not least, I have included a fun little game. They had so many different types of like card games and board games, but for this one I just went with the general knowledge edition at $2.99. Let's answer a question. Let's see how my general knowledge fares. Which organisation uses the motto fidelity, bravery, integrity? FBI? Fidelity, bravery, integrity? The FBI. What is the name of the lightest substance? Air? Hydrogen? Same thing. Which river runs through the city of Cairo? I actually don't know that. Oh. The Nile. Which sport is associated with Constantino Rocca? I'm going to say football. Golf. I didn't know that. What are the 4 main ingredients of a Waldorf salad? I'm going to go with apple, walnut, lettuce, and raisins. Celery, apples, walnuts, and grapes. I got 2 of them, so I'll give myself 50%, I reckon, for that. A fun little game, and there's so many like different options in B&M. Some weird ones. I saw some like pimple spotting games. Weird. But maybe it's because I don't have young kids and I don't understand and I can't relate. But anyway, they are quite a few ideas for like some kind of Christmas Eve hamper box, and I hope you guys can take some inspiration. Again, don't forget to go check out Lara's video. I'll leave a link to her channel down below so you can head over there and watch that. But for now and for the rest of this video, I'm just going to show you what I got in my, oh my god, I'm flexible and getting old. I'm going to show you what I got in my advent calendars for days 2 and 3. 2 and 3 in Hotel Chocolat. We've got to start with the chocolate, don't we? So 2 is here. And it says, life too short for bad chocolate and presents. And then inside is a little snowman, I think. Mistletoe is Anglo-Saxon for little dung twig, as it's seeded far and wide by birds. Interesting. And then inside here is again another little snowman. And like I said, these caramel chocolates are amazing. They're like hard caramel, they're not soft, so delish. Right, moving on to, let's go with Aurelia 12 days, which I know you should probably do in the lead up to Christmas, but I've opened number 1. It was a necklace. So in 2, we have another cute little drawstring bag. And this has the first little charm in it for the necklace, which is such a good idea. So the necklace came and it was just a plain chain if you missed the first day of opening. So this is what it looks like. Cute little round pendant with like little diamond tidbits on the edge. And then on door number 3, another cute little drawstring bag. I just love this, it's so cute. And then inside again is another pendant. Oh, cute. I've just seen a cat run past on our garden wall, and we keep having cats poo in our garden. This is the second little pendant. It's like a true Harry Potter lightning bolt, which I really need to watch the final Harry Potter. I really do. I think I'm going to make it my mission this year for Christmas. Moving on to L'Occitane. Found it straight away. Oh, cool. One of their hand creams, which I think, correct me if I'm wrong, I think this is one of their best sellers, their hand creams. Really, really good. Really thick, and like this time of the year, I don't know about you guys, but my hands get quite dry, so I love having one of those in my handbag. It's the perfect size. And then door number, oh, got my finger trapped. Door number 3. Here it is at the bottom with a little dove on it. Oh, again, I love these. They are, it's one of their, oh my god, it's massive. I've never had one this big before. It is their soap, and I think this is the, yeah, this is the almond one. Okay, so moving on to ASOS, whatever you want to call it. And this one is like in drawer format. So let me just pull out the top drawer and see if it's in here. Number 2, where are you? Neither of them are there, so it must be in the bottom. Both of them. Yeah. Okay. Number 2 and number 3. So let's go with number 2 first. And we have a transforming body lotion from Ameliorate. I've actually never used this brand before. It's a decent sized product as well. Usually with advent calendars they can be a little smaller. Number 3, we have, ooh, something from Caudalie. This is their, oh my god, that's perfect, micellar cleansing water. I was just thinking I need to restock up. I'm going to try this one. I usually use the Garnier one, so that is fab. I've never tried anything from Caudalie. I know it's a nice brand and it's a bit snazzy. But yeah, I look forward to trying that one out. I know what this is going to be. This is going to be, I love it, and I'm going to have to end up buying the full size, aren't I? Let's go in with the Look Fantastic. Okay, and then finally with Look Fantastic, I feel like I look really dark. Sorry guys, it's like 11 in the morning and it's this dark. This is how miserable the weather is. Maybe if I put this light on. Oh, that helps a little bit. Day number 2, we have inside here, I love how they're all like individually wrapped in tissue paper as well. Oh, another cleanser and makeup remover. This is from the brand, I never know how to say this, Filorga? Is that how you say it? Again, another really, oops. Again, another really decent brand that I look forward to giving that one a try, and I can compare it to the Caudalie. I'm sure they'll both be lovely. I have a habit of doing this, like taking it out, having a look, see what's inside, and then wrapping it up and putting it back in. I can't help myself. I always do that. Even when I get new makeup or whatever, I like to keep the packaging for a bit. Okay, number 3. Inside, and look how big these drawers are. This is such a chunky advent calendar. I love it. Inside drawer number 3 is, oh cool, it's Percy & Reed, which is a hair care brand, and this is their Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm. Well, if advent calendars don't make you feel festive, then I don't know what will. I love Christmas. I'm loving Vlogmas so far. What do you guys think of it so far? I'm doing videos every day up until December, up until Christmas. If you're new to Vlogmas and have never heard of it, I'm pretty sure the majority of you, if not every single person watching this video, will know exactly what Vlogmas is, so no need to explain. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's a little bit less vlog-like, more showing you, but I have a couple of ideas, like gift idea videos that I want to do as well, and I want to like fire those out at the beginning of December because I don't want it to be too late and you guys have already bought all your presents. So I have a couple of videos like this coming up as well, so sorry if you don't like these. But I do have obviously more vlogging to come as well, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head over to Lara's channel. We'll leave the link below and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye guys.